Hi folks, I'm Rohin from Virotech and welcome to this video on how to make my small business cyber secure. In this part 4, we'll look at email security as the next step of your cybersecurity strategy. If you'd like more information on email security, then drop a thumbs up in the comments below. Now, did you know that in 2021, there were approximately 300 billion, with a B, emails sent every day? That is potentially this many opportunity for attackers to attack you. Phishing is one of the most common attack methods, and in 2020 the number of attacks more than doubled. They're becoming increasingly harder to spot and a lot more sophisticated. So what can you do to help protect your business? Email security is a good tool to help your business. Email security tools are now using AI to help protect businesses against phishing attacks. The AI learns user and company habits as well as the kinds of emails being sent and received. Based off of this data and the copious other amounts of data used to train the AI, email security can stop harmful emails from even reaching your inbox. Good email security tools will also offer the added benefit of encrypting emails when you send them. From a compliance perspective, if a sent email containing sensitive information is intercepted, then the encryption should take care of the contents being unreadable to the wrong person. Email security shouldn't be difficult to set up. No matter who your email provider is, there will be an element of email security built in. However, a good portion of phishing emails can still get through. That's why when you invest in email security, you should integrate seamlessly without too much setting up. Thanks for watching this part 4 video on how to make my small business cyber secure. Please do like, share and tag someone in the comments who would find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.